Hi, my name is Matt Hill. Today's date is November 13th, 2024. Today we'll be filming a video source inspection, and since we load our videos onto the web, I will give you a location of the job and a PO number. The job is located in the United States and the PO number ends in 9220. Today we'll be looking over a 280S. I'm going to go ahead and get the tool started, and then we'll go over our refurbishment process and the repairs that were done. Substrate's in there, warm to the touch, dry. All right, we're going to start with a typical spin, rinse, dryer process. First, it goes into the rinse cycle where it will rinse all of the unwanted particles off of the substrates, followed by the purge step, which will purge out any unwanted water out of the lines. After the purge step, it'll go into its dry one where the RPMs will speed up dramatically, allowing force to fling most of the larger water droplets off of the substrates. Followed by, at the end, the heat 2. That's where it will go into a lower RPM setting. The heat will kick on and it will dry any remaining water droplets off of there. Just take a look at this unit. Looking good. This one did get a full refurbishment, but it also came in with some particle issues. When a unit comes in for a refurbishment, every refurbishment goes through the same process here at Sitek. We break the unit down to the component level, inspect all parts for function, clean and electropolish all metal, and then we also replace all consumables such as seals, windows, in-tube filter, any of the nozzles, things like that. See, it's gone into its dry one. You can see the RPM is sped up dramatically. Everything's looking good. Very no vibration. After we inspect each component, make sure it's all ready to go, then it'll go into our dry quality control. This is where we'll build the head from the ground up without facilities being installed. And then once it passes the dry quality control, it'll go to wet quality control, where we will test for full function once facilities have been installed. Once it passes both of those, it comes into the final stage you see here, where we'll bring it in, run multiple recipes and different processes to ensure that when it's ready, or when it's done, it's ready to plug and play back into their fab. Okay, just want to take a look real quick at everything. He's looking smooth. All right. Other than refurbishments, we also offer all parts and service to keep your SRDs up and running. This includes motor repairs, controller repairs, LC4 repairs, any of your windows, door seals, like we were saying, solenoid valves, etc. We also have on this unit our Sitek Slick device. It's the touchscreen controller that we've come up with here at Sitek. It's a plug and play to your 101 or 102, minus the housing for the 102. All right, looks like we're going to dry 2. The good thing about that controller is not only is it touchscreen, it has in-tube saver capabilities, maintenance, preventative maintenance options, and then also can save up to 20 recipes. When the units do come in, some will come in like this, where they just pull the chamber out of a stack, and then they box it up, send it to us, especially if there's 2 of them. That way you can keep one running, send one in, and then swap them out when this one gets back. Okay, let's see how much time we have left. Quite a bit of time. If it does come in with the poly housing, we will inspect that, clean, and repair anything that is needed. So we have a few minutes left. I'm going to go ahead and step back. We'll let this process finish, and I'll come in at the end. Looks like we're about done. Wait for that RSP to fire. Once the RPM gets down below, I think about 60. Perfect. All right, warm to the touch. Substrates are dry. Looking good. All right, so we have ran a successful process, and that will conclude our video source inspection for today. Thank you for taking the time to view it. If you have any questions, you can visit us at sales@sitekprocess.com, or you can reach me personally at 916-975-2203. Thank you and have a great day.